Wide shot, take one.
And action!
Tingnan mo naman yung set namin. Grabe, hindi namin in-expect na ganyan. Super genius, man.
So may kasama kaming genius, ayun o, yung tao na yun. Siya may kagagawa ng lahat ng ito. Sabi namin simple shoot lang para mga ginagawa lang namin pero hindi namin alam na production pala yung dala niya. So nagpapasalamat kami kay Director Josh Lee.
Hey Josh!
May pusang kasama
Mas
sa box.
nakakabilib kasi 16 years
May
old lang
pusa
siya.
sa box, so may pusa.
Hey Josh!
Hey, what's up? Give me high five. Bet you didn't hit the screen.
So ito yung pinakaunang scene na isushoot namin, yung kay Jasper. Ito yung sa intro part, yung kung saan makikita siya naglalakad, tapos papakilala na siya, and each character, yan, sunod-sunod na yan.
I'm Jasper. So ganun lang ka, or do you want me to say? Sige, isa pa bro. Hey, I'm Jasper. Hot chicks, they're all mine.
Hi, I'm Mitch. Moonride. Sinusundan yung pagpalit.
What's up? I'm the model, and he's my the rich kid. Apparently, I'm
Genius kid.
no, I'm apparently poor, and Jamich happens to be really rich who can afford his all production. And I'm really excited for this shoot, and let's see how it turns out. Pan.
The turn.
Hey, why? Go back. Go back. Go back.
Take 5. Action.
Hey, Oliver here. Wanna ride?
By the way, I am Lucky. Lucky Manzanas.
Hi, I'm Dijon. I'm a celebrity. Well, the girl just is talking.
Hi, I'm the heart of the campus. By the way, I am Lucky. Phil. Yeah. I love you, bitch! I love you, bitch! I love you, bitch! I love you, bitch! Spin and kneel. I love you, bitch! I love you, bitch!
Ivan! Kumusta ka na? Nakakapagod ba? Ano ba sasabi mo sa experience?
Mahirap siya pero masarap.
Gusto mo pa ba mag-artista pagkatapos ng nangyaring yun?
Oo naman. Siyempre, pangarap ko yun eh. At saka, siya nga pala, binabati kita. Osaka, Japan, Jillian Oro. Abangan ko pagdating mo, basta, sama kita dito. Sa mga shooting ko, ganun. Bye!
Bro, two things to add. When she's doing the makeup, you're annoyed by the makeup, but you just want to concentrate on the phone. So like, it's enough. But you kept insisting the makeup, and then what happened?
Text message.
Kung kaya kong iwanan ko.
Kita ako.
Josh? Here? Josh, what's the ano?
Kailangan ko
The
pagmukain nabugbog si Jam. So yan, black eye siya. Dahil sa kanya, siya ang may kagagawa.
Action.
Moose! Moose! Bugbugin mo na! Dali!
Ay, Jam. Sapa. Jam. This time, boss up. And action.
And medyo late.
Sapa.
Pre. Okay lang ba ako na magatid ko yan? Nakita niyo kung kami ginagawa yung ilaw. Oh!
Behind the scenes ka, dude.
Eh kahit nga yung artista mo maliligo, kinento niya sa akin eh.
Gusto mo, ako na lang kasama mo.